उम्मीद की रोशनी कभी कम ना होने देना दोस्तों, क्योंकि एक जुगनू ही काफी है उजाला करने के लिए। नमस्कार, वेलकम टू हेडलाइंस ऑफ द डे। In this video, we are going to discuss important headlines of the Hindu, and our first important headline is Government vows swifter nod for exporters. It is available on page number 1 and ये related है paper 3 economy section से. In this article, we have to know key features of new foreign trade policy and its objectives. So friends, new foreign trade policy aims at tripling goods and services exports by 2030. It focuses on lowering cost for smaller firms and offering swifter clearances. It also aims to make the Indian rupee a global currency and enable international trade settlement in domestic currency. And baki further points you can go through this article. Our next important headline is India's semiconductor mission might need a compass. It is available on page number 6. And ये related है paper 3 economy section से. In this article, we have to know about the semiconductor industry of India, why there is a need for promoting semiconductor industry, various initiatives in this direction, emerging challenges, and what lies ahead. So friends, recently India and US signed a memorandum of understanding on semiconductor supply chain and innovation partnership during the commercial dialogue 2023. बाकी ये सारे पॉइंट्स लाइन बाय लाइन यहाँ पे बहुत शानदार तरीके से कवर्ड हैं, आप एक बार जरूर देख लीजिएगा। उसके अलावा सेमीकंडक्टर से रिलेटेड कंटेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी अवेलेबल है एंड लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। आवर नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइन इज NATO is open to stronger ties with India, says US envoy. It is available on page number 8 and ये related है paper 2 international relations से. In this article we have to know about North Atlantic Treaty Organization and its objectives. So friends, it is a security alliance of 30 countries from North America and Europe and it aims to safeguard the allies from freedom and security by political and military means. बाकी फ्रेंड्स, नाटो को हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत शानदार तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, लिंक यू नो कि कहां मिलेगा। उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंट्स आप यहां से भी देख सकते हैं। Our next important headline is Australia seeks diversified market for lithium export. It is available on page number 10 and ये related है paper 1 natural resources से. In this article we have to know about lithium, its reserves, applications and significance. So friends, lithium is a critical metal necessary to make batteries for electric vehicles. And do you know friends, Australia is the world's biggest exporter of lithium. And अभी न्यूज में इसलिए है क्योंकि recently ऑस्ट्रेलियन मिनिस्टर ने बोला है कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया डाइवर्सिफाई करेगा इसका मार्केट लिथियम के एक्सपोर्ट्स के लिए, जिसमें इंडिया भी इंक्लूडेड है, राइट। Our next important headline is UK to join Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Treaty. It is available on page number 11 and ये related है paper 2 international relations से. In this article we have to know about the comprehensive and progressive agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, its objectives and members. So friends, recently UK acceded to the comprehensive and progressive agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership. बाकी further points you can go through this article. Our next and last important headline is FTP expands export promotion scheme to include PM Mitra. It is available on page number 12 and ये related है paper 3 economy section से. In this article we have to know about PM Mitra schemes and its objectives. तो दोस्तों अभी न्यूज में इसलिए है क्योंकि recently foreign trade policy was launched and it added the PM Mitra scheme as an additional scheme eligible for benefits under common service provider scheme of the export promotion capital goods scheme. बाकी PM Mitra से रिलेटेड कंटेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है एंड लिंक यू नो कि कहां मिलेगा, राइट। दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही। Thanks for listening. For regular updates, you can follow us on various social media platforms.